In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Klaviyo Popup to Shopify. To begin, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are inside, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Sign Up Forms. This is where you can manage the pop-up forms connected to your store. From your list of forms, select the existing pop-up form that you want to use on Shopify. After opening the form, go to the Targeting and Behavior tab in the left panel. This section controls when and how the pop-up appears to visitors. Under Display Timing, choose the trigger rules you want for your form. For example, this is where you decide when the pop-up should show based on visitor behavior. It is a good idea to review these settings carefully so the form appears at the right moment and does not interrupt the shopping experience too early. Once your targeting and display timing are set the way you want, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing makes the form live inside Klaviyo, which is an important step before you enable it in Shopify. Next, open a new tab and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, navigate to Online Store, then go to Themes and open the option to edit your theme. Inside the theme editor, look for the App Embeds icon. This area lets you manage apps that can display features directly on your storefront. Click on App Embeds, then find Klaviyo in the list of available app integrations. When you see it, toggle the switch to enable the pop-up form. This connects the Klaviyo form to your Shopify theme so it can actually appear on your live store. After you have turned it on, click Save in the top right corner of the Shopify editor. Saving is important because it applies the changes to your storefront. If you leave without saving, the pop-up may not appear even if everything else is set up correctly. At this point, your Klaviyo pop-up should be connected to Shopify and ready to display based on the targeting and timing rules you selected earlier. If you want to confirm everything is working, you can preview your store and check whether the form appears as expected. That covers everything you need to know.